I'm telling niggas, man, I be giving them the game, man. They gotta listen, man.
50 Cent live sur ce plateau de Taratata. I'll still kill. Le titre est très précis. Je pourrais encore tuer. That's a real beginning. I mean, I'll still kill for opening a program. C'est un vrai commencement. Alors, tout le monde est au courant, ou si vous ne l'êtes pas, en tout cas, on va vite être au courant de la vie mouvementée de 50 Cent, dont le vrai prénom est Curtis. Curtis is your real first name, c'est son vrai prénom. Yeah, how did you choose, how did you decide to call this album Curtis? Because this is more personal, cet album est plus personnel, c'est pour ça qu'il a appelé Curtis?
Absolutely, man. It's a perfect timing for me to title my album Curtis. I'm actually Curtis III. My grandfather's Curtis Sr., his firstborn is Curtis Jr., and I'm his first grandchild, so Curtis III. This is my third album, so I felt like it was time for me to write something.
Okay, so all the guys in the family names Curtis, from the grandfather, father, and
yeah, it's three
son.
of us.
D'accord, voilà, ils s'appellent tous comme ça, vous l'avez compris, troisième album, avec des cartons, sans faire de mauvais jeu de mots bien sûr, avec le côté bad boy de 50 Cent, des cartons notamment avec ce titre. « 20 millions d'albums vendus dans le monde, dont 11 millions avec ce titre. On juge pas toujours la qualité de la musique au nombre d'albums vendus, mais enfin là, il faut quand même constater que c'est absolument énorme. Alors, there is two guys. I mean, there is Curtis. Il y a deux hommes en fait. There is Curtis, which is the little boy grew up in the Queens. C'est le petit garçon qui a grandi dans le Queens. Et 50 Cent, qui est le rappeur que l'on connaît. What's the difference between Curtis and 50 Cent? Quelle est la différence entre les deux?
Well, it's a huge difference. You know, I mean, Curtis is human. 50 Cent is...
50 Cent is not human.
Well, he doesn't have all of the human emotions. Hip-hop is so competitive that it doesn't allow you to put your vulnerabilities out there.
Really?
It's a constant competition to keep yourself relevant in the art form. You know,
so you're ready to do anything to be still number one? Il est prêt à tout pour être le numéro 1
toujours? You
toujours?
gotta be up for the competition. You know, you gotta be willing to compete with any and every artist. Like the new guy comes out with some material, and immediately whatever you have out is representation of you. Not your full body of work, but what you have out at the moment is representation of how good you are as an artist.
If there is anybody which is disturbing you in your process, you can kill him. Il peut tuer, non? Si quelqu'un, you can still kill him, no? Il peut toujours le tuer.
Well, conceptually, that's just an actual song. I'm trying to capture what went on in the environment prior to me having success as an artist, you know? So I still kill. I don't mean literally. I'll go out and kill you, you know, like...
With the beat. Not with the gun.
Yeah, with the beat, man.
Voilà, c'est ça, avec le tempo, pas avec le revolver. Ça rassure quand même. Alors, il y a un livre qui est absolument incroyable. C'est ce livre-là. It's your whole story. C'est toute sa vie qui est racontée avec des photos très intimes, with real personal pictures from your family, your grandma.
Yeah, from when I was real small.
Ouais, c'est vrai qu'il était super petit. Avec son your uncle Mike, which was also a dealer, was he?
Yeah, he's in jail right now. He's been in jail 16 years.
D'accord, Mike, si tu nous regardes, je pense à toi. C'est sur dans ce livre 50 Cent, on apprend des choses absolument incroyables. Everything is true in that book, honestly. Tout est vrai.
Yeah. I mean, for me, like I had an opportunity to create From Pieces to Weight, and I felt like that was great representation of my experience. But this book was different. You know, I got a chance. I had to actually get these photographs from my grandmother. Like she collects them and and she kind of had, you know, the photographs tell a story, you know, in a different way. Like it actually shows you me at those different time periods, you know, so you have a more vivid description of, there I go.
You're a real human being. Ouais, là, on voit que c'est un être humain avec son enfance. Là, on le voit. This is with your mother?
Yeah, my grandmother.
Your grandmother.
And my first cousin, Sahar. Yeah.
Il faut juste préciser qu'il n'a jamais connu son père, que sa maman a été assassinée quand il avait 8 ans. Your mother was killed when you were 8.
Yeah.
And you never knew your father. That's the reason why you just explained that you need to earn money when you were 12. Il avait besoin de gagner de l'argent.
Yeah.
Et la seule possibilité quand on a 12 ans, quand on n'a pas d'éducation, quand on n'a pas envie d'attendre l'école, the only issue when you are 12 and you don't go to school to have money is just to be a crack dealer, c'est de devenir un dealer de cracks. It's the only way?
Well, it was one of the only options physically available for me to actually try and provide for myself. Until you reach the age 15, they don't provide working papers for you or opportunity for you to go out and get a job. So at that point, you know, I mean, in the actual environment, there's no age requirement for you to be involved in that. And because my mom already had a reputation and knew people, you know, they felt like they were actually doing me a favor, allowing me the opportunity to do that at that point, because I was too young to be out there.
Yeah, now you're a father. Il est devenu papa. C'est avec cet enfant qu'il s'est dit, il faut maintenant que je vive autrement. Thanks to this kid, you decide to be involved in music and to change your behavior, perhaps thanks to him or for the others or for the show, special shock program that you've had in jail. Il a eu aussi un programme dans un camp de redressement où pendant 6 mois il s'est mis à penser et là il s'est décidé à rapper. What was the main point? Quel a été le point le plus important? Was it to be a father? Was it to be threatened about jail, having 9 balls in your body? Il a reçu aussi 9 balles dans le corps. À quel moment il s'est dit, maintenant il faut que j'arrête mes conneries et now I have to stop that kind of behavior and I have to take care of my life and being an artist?
It's more my son.
C'est plus son enfant.
My son is my motivation. You know what I mean? And like, because I didn't actually have a relationship with my father, I wanted to have that relationship with him. And
so you don't mess around anymore. Maintenant il fait plus aucune bêtise.
I make a lot of money.
D'accord, ouais. It's not bad.
Does it make sense?
Non, ouais, voilà, ça dépend comment on le fait. Mais enfin là, en l'occurrence, il le fait avec un sacré succès. Curtis, c'est le nouvel album de 50 Cent sur lequel il y a Akon, Eminem, Justin Timberlake, Dr. Dre. Il y en a des invités là-dessus. Et même si toute la vie n'est pas un exemple à suivre, en tout cas, visiblement, il semblerait que il a arrêté de faire ses bêtises. And you just say 98% of the other rap singers are just bullshitting everybody and the audience are just liars. Il dit que 98% des rappeurs mentent au public et racontent des histoires.
Yeah, they are. I mean, well, that, you know, creatively when you go in the booth, your job is to say what sounds good. You know what I mean? So they go out there and say whatever sounds good opposed to what their true experiences are. You know, so me, I'm blessed to be in the position I'm in and not have to compromise myself on any levels and just tell people, you know, who I am and my experience. It's difficult for you to recreate a new 50 Cent. I'm sure Interscope as a record company would love to do that, but it's difficult because you can teach people how to dance, you can teach them how to sing, you can teach them how to pose for nice pictures, but you can't create their personality.
Or perhaps doing Boo Boo.
A boo?
Boo Boo, ouais, Boo Boo, c'est le nom qu'il avait avant d'être 50 Cent. Et que you got a tattoo with Boo Boo on your arm?
Yeah.
Voilà, c'était son nom avant. Il a été Curtis, il a été Boo Boo, et après il a été 50 Cent, le nom d'un assassin, tout simplement. Il a choisi ce nom-là en disant, ouais, ça le fait bien 50 Cent, tout le monde va se dire, c'est qui ce bonhomme-là? Et c'est vrai que depuis, ça marche. Thanks a lot for being our guest. Merci mille fois d'être venu.
Thanks for having me.
50 Cent, je vous présente l'album 28 rues.
Some pop, can you mix them up in the pots? Mix them up in the pots, mix them up in the pots. Bacon some pop, can you mix them up in the pots? Mix them up in the pots. What the fuck do you got? Take some bacon, some pop, can you mix them up in the pot? Mix them up in the pots, mix them up in the pot. Bacon some pop, can you mix them up and you got juggernauts to this rap shit. Like
I got a gambling problem. I bet you niggas I'ma be back bustin', but you won't know it's me when that gat dumpin'. You want bet? I lost money when I bet on Roy. Won money when I bet on Floyd. I'm the one that bet on board. Undefeated, eyes low like I'm weeded.